This open source repo prints finished videos from a single keyword, and this week alone it added 10,000 stars. MoneyPrinterTurbo, MIT licensed, 2.5 years old, 709 commits, still shipping daily, version 1.35 landed this morning. Here's the assembly line. An LLM writes the script and extracts search keywords. Then, stock footage is matched to every line. Voice comes from 8 TTS providers. Edge TTS is free and needs no API key. Subtitles ride the TTS timestamps, or Whisper transcribes locally. The brain is swappable. OpenAI, Claude, DeepSeek, Qwen, Kimi, or fully local through Ollama or LiteLLM. Footage comes from Pexels, Pixabay, Coverr, or your own files. And when stock runs dry, WaveSpeed generates new shots from the script itself. Minimum spec is a 4-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM, no GPU required. The heavy lifting is API calls, not local inference. When the render finishes, it uploads itself. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Shorts, straight from the settings. So where's the catch? The pipeline is free. The taste isn't. It prints volume, not judgment. And channels drowning in identical AI slop prove it. The 90% that's boring is now a cron job. Spend your evenings on the 10% only you can do.